Welcome to Brush Up Your English. Our today's topic is contractions. आज हम contractions English के पढ़ेंगे. Contractions होते क्या है? Let me tell you first of all, contractions is a shortened form of a word, or we can say a group of words that omit certain letters or sounds. In most contractions, an apostrophe represents the missing letters. जब हम apostrophe डाल के उसको short form बना देते हैं word को, that are contractions. Contractions verb से मिलके बनते हैं, auxiliaries से और models attached to other words. जैसे कि हमारे पास I have होता है तो हम पूरा लेटर नहीं लिखते, I और apostrophe ve लिख देते हैं. So let's discuss contractions today with sentences, examples के साथ हम contractions को discuss करते हैं. So let's get started. First one is I am 24 years old. You are such a sweetheart. He's so handsome. She's very beautiful. They're such cute kittens. We are going to China next month. That's awesome. There's the hotel we were looking for. What's the matter? Where's my car? Who's there? Who are the people at the next table? Aren't they aren't coming next week? Isn't she isn't listening to you? Weren't they weren't invited to the party? Wasn't I wasn't joking when I said that. Doesn't he doesn't play tennis? Don't I don't like cheese. Needed. You needn't worry about that. Didn't I didn't know that. Can't I can't understand you. Couldn't he couldn't get his shoes on. Won't I won't be able to attend the conference. Wouldn't I wouldn't ask her. Hasn't she hasn't finished her homework yet. Haven't I haven't finished my homework. Hadn't I hadn't thought of that. Might I almost wondered if he mightn't be right. Must not you must not worry too much about this. Shouldn't you shouldn't do these things like that. I'll be on vacation next week. You'll I think you will pass the exam. He'll I'm sure he'll help you if he can. She'll be there tomorrow, I'm sure. They will I hope they'll come to my party. I would like a cup of coffee. You would? I was afraid you'd ask me that. He would. He'd like to go to the cinema tonight. She would. She would be a great managing director, don't you think? They would love to see the film. We would be grateful for an answer. I've been waiting an hour already. You have got to start working harder. They've got paint all over the carpet. We have It's been over a year since we have done that. Who have you asked so far? He has. He's worked here for 5 years. She's been to Japan twice. There's been entirely too much said on the subject. That has got to the most ridiculous thing I have ever seen. They want a list of what's been stolen. Who's been chosen, do you know? I had just got in the bath when the phone rang. You had? It happened just after you had left the room. He'd been alone for a long time. She had already left. They'd better be here on time. We'd better be more careful in the future. Who'd? She wondered who had sent her the mysterious email. Let's go out to dinner. Wanna? Do you wanna go now? What are you doing? Kinda. I think it's kinda funny. Don't know. I don't know what to do. Let me guess you didn't do it. Give me. Can you give me a hint? Tell them the truth. Isn't it in it? It's wrong in it. Gonna. What are you gonna do? Neither. I neither do it. Gotta. I have gotta go. Come on. Oh, come on, you don't really mean that. Thank you guys for listening me.